Your Reveal platform from Verizon Connect already gives you all the data you need about your fleet. But imagine if you could foster a culture of safety by seeing what's happening throughout your territory in near real time. That's what Reveal Integrated Video is all about. Integrated Video expands the impact of the Reveal platform to give you essential insight to improve fleet safety and cost control. In fact, 75% of fleets say in-cab video technology helped them improve driver safety due to better risk mitigation and enhanced insight. And it all starts with our intelligent Dashcam, the core of our system. The Reveal Dashcam can give you two views. First, there's a camera showing you the road as the driver sees it, so you can coach safer driving by seeing what they're reacting to, with our AI analyzing video footage and road conditions to help you understand the full story and focus your time on the highest risk events. Second, you can add an intelligent driver-facing camera that helps make sure they're following your safety protocols. These cameras record every trip that vehicle makes, every day, with Reveal's AI automatically analyzing and prioritizing clips of risky behavior, so you don't have to search hours of video to find the coaching insights you need to give your fleet a huge bottom line boost. And we haven't even talked about extended view cameras. They raise those benefits to another power. Extended view goes beyond the dash cam to give you and your drivers a near 360-degree view. An in-cab monitor gives your drivers cargo, rear, and side camera footage in real time. A cargo camera shows your shipment's condition throughout the trip, so if there's ever any damage, you'll know when and how it happened. These cameras enhance the driver's visibility and maneuvering to help prevent sideswipe collisions and reduce risk. If there's an incident with another vehicle, you'll be able to prove who was at fault, which protects your bottom line with reduced claims and lower insurance premiums. Let's talk about all the ways Reveal Integrated Video can elevate fleet safety. The driver-facing and road-facing cameras automatically alert drivers in real time to generate big reductions in driving while tired, tailgating, smoking, using the phone, driving while distracted, driving with seatbelt unfastened, crossing a solid line, or being in range of pedestrians. These automatic alerts don't just correct driver behavior before an incident occurs. They also help you correct drivers after the fact, because each event that triggers an audio alert also creates a snip in the Reveal platform that you can review with your driver. Reveal's AI technology even classifies events such as tailgating and speeding from severe to moderate for detailed one-on-one coaching. Reveal creates a scoreboard tracking alerts and driver behaviors, and that helps you create a culture of safety throughout your organization. So that's just a quick look at all the ways Reveal Integrated Video gets results for your organization. It gives you the video insights you need to improve driver performance, boost fleet safety, and reduce costs for a stronger bottom line.